Let me ask you a question. When you see me, you hear me talk, you hear me give you advice about life. You know my rates for coaching, and people come to me for my services. Now, has it ever occurred to you, how is it that this guy, me, who has all these mistakes, from getting his face tattooed to divorce to blowing off money and all that, how did he put his shit together and do such an incredible job, and today he's doing well? Obviously, it is because I've taken charge of my life, but from where did I get this guidance? Was it from books? Because many people ask me, Loy, which book did you read, or which book do you recommend reading? Was it books that made me the person I am today? Was it books? Books it's like reading Wikipedia. What does it give you? It gives you knowledge. Was it watching YouTube videos? If it does help you with watching YouTube videos, every person, we all watch YouTube videos. Wouldn't we all become like amazing, successful people just through YouTube videos? Was it a course? If such a course existed, don't you think it would be the best-selling course of all time in the world? So what was it? Course, training, seminar? It was none of these. But all the books that I read, books have its place. It gives you understanding, awareness, but doesn't change you. Then is it, these training programs goes, no, they just give you insight. But one thing I can tell you, this, before you watch my video, you get an ad, or on Facebook you see, buy this course, free videos, this course for $97, or mentoring secrets, or coaching secrets, or, like Tai Lopez, I'm sure you know that ad that used to come on YouTube. Here in my garage is my Lamborghini, but that is nothing in compared to these books. And then when you go into a sales funnel, he would first give you free videos. He would talk for hours and hours, and you'd wonder, what the fuck is he talking? Doesn't make sense. But then he'll tell you 67 steps will change your life for $67. It's around $10,000, but I'll give it for 67. So obviously you think, okay, it's $10,000 worth. He made him millions. I'll pay $67 and I'll also make millions. But then nothing happens. You go for all these coaching programs, from Robin Sharma to Ramesh Sethi, Tony Robbins. Yeah, they help you a little bit, but they give you the initial excitement that, oh, something is happening in your life. Oh, I'm doing something new. I'm taking an ice bath. I'm getting up in the morning. I'm meditating and all. Wait, these dogs are running. But then nothing actually happens. The initial excitement is there, but finally nothing happens, right? Okay. So now the question is, so how did I change? Now obviously by now you would have known the answer. It is mentoring. Yes, mentoring. But what kind of mentoring? See, the problem in today's day and age is everybody is taking advantage of other people, telling lies, working through loopholes, coming out with best-selling books and training programs, and you have affiliate marketing where they tell you, take this, you'll get this, and they mislead people so much to the point where today it's become a joke. If you go online and say mentoring, or you say coaching, or you say people roll their eyes. There is still a breed of people who fall for all this bullshit. But so the question is, what helps you? What kind of mentoring? See, in my life, I've had 3 mentors who really made massive difference. 3, okay. I've had people here and there, small, but the ones who had the biggest and longest impact in my life is just 3. I can maybe make a detailed video on that. Today I'll just cover the overall preview. And those three mentors are, one is Mohammad Murad. He's an Emirati Muslim, Arab guy. Amazing human being. He and I, we knew each other for, I think from the age of 20, 23, 24. It's quite a long time, man. 20 plus years, until I had to leave UAE. So he was the one who had the longest impact in my life. He didn't start off as mentoring. I used to keep in touch with him every time, and eventually over time we got close. But the most intense one was the second one, Gabriel D'Souza, where I worked for this company which was into switchgear. And I really learned a lot. If you see my thinking pattern, my analysis of people, my evaluation, my leadership style, all this came from Gabriel D'Souza. The importance of money. Because I had no father figure, I had no one to guide me. He was the one who gave me all this. And I think I learned the importance and the value of coaching was when my third coach was a paid coach. And this guy, I paid him per hour. It was expensive. He was really expensive. For me, at least, at that time. But I can tell you the improvements. What I struggled for 5 years, he helped me achieve that in less than, I think, 2-3 months. In fact, the progress that I made, I never made in my entire life. This is in terms of physical training, marathon running, cycling, swimming, triathlon. For 5 years, I used to train for hours and hours. 5 years. He made me accomplish and overcome all this progress of 5 years in less than 2-3 months with a very intelligent form of training. Today, if I know about running, nutrition, exercise, health, it's all because of that one-to-one coaching relationship that we had. Now, I'll give you another video where I speak about all these in details, but I'll just give you a summary. If you're interested, please do comment down below so that I know what interests you. I'll give you the lessons that I learned from these three coaches and maybe a little bit of a background. But overall, what I learned from all these three is reading books is not going to help you. MP3 is not going to help you. YouTube video is not going to help you. All this is just like, it's like, for example, I want to learn karate and I'm looking at someone practice karate. I'm looking at them or I'm listening to someone coach me about karate. It doesn't help you. You have to physically do it. And obviously you can't look and do. You have to ask someone, guide me. How should I move my hand? What position should my feet be? Where should my waist be? How should I move my shoulder? So you need a step-by-step guidance. So in all these three mentors of mine, it was very systematic, it was very consistent, and it really helped me, man. See, if I could give you one takeaway from this video, I think it would be to tell you, see, like I told you, my first two mentors, obviously I didn't pay them. Thankfully, they were in my life. But I'll tell you, like the second mentor, I was with him, literally the whole working day, right from 8 in the morning till 6 in the evening, I was just with him. So being with him for so long taught me so many things. You know, when you're with a person 24/7, you learn, you pick up, you observe so much. So I learned a lot. So the first one which I'll tell you is, find yourself a mentor. Find yourself a mentor who you admire, who you look up to, who you want to be like. Find such a person and then make this person like you, want to be with you. Okay? this in itself is another video on how you can find a mentor who would want to give you all these things. But first one is find a mentor, okay? Request for their time or guidance or whatever. Or get yourself a professional mentor who you'll pay money and he will agree to mentor you. Okay, that's one. The second one is be a sponge. Oh, I used to literally take down my notes and write down literally what they used to tell me. And yes, you have to practice what they tell you, not just theory. Okay? And remember, having a mentor is not about listening what keeps you happy. Having a mentor is, they'll tell you stuff that hurts you, pains you, makes you question things, and it challenges you. I was not the same guy who, if you'd see me, forget. 6 years ago, if you'd see me, I was a very different cat, man. I've evolved so much. And I managed to evolve because their teachings were in my head. The best form of mentoring is not these courses or these standard books or these videos. It's one-to-one, where he literally, you ask him questions, he guides you. Do this, do that. This is not working, try this. Okay, what did you do? Takes feedback, asks you questions, analyzes what you did, gives you corrective action, and empowers you to constantly push yourself, you know. And that is why today, the person that I am is because of these people, you know. So in a nutshell, what I want to tell you is, if you really want to change your life, really, whatever it is, whether it's health, whether fitness, whether it is personal branding, whether it's earning more money, whether leadership, whether maturity, anything, you will need a mentor. At least that's as far as I know. Either you should be lucky to have mother and father who will give you all the values and guidance, or you need to have someone in the family who takes the father figure, or you know, the leadership, or the mother figure, or whatever. If you don't have all that, then you need a mentor. For me, from the lost boy that I was, the crazy guy, to what I am today, if it was not for mentoring, no, impossible. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know if you're interested to know the story of these 3 individual mentors. I'll put a separate video. And the second one is, if you have any questions on mentoring, where do you get, how do you get, what do you do, maybe I can compile another video. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Put your comments down below. This is me signing off. Guys, take care.